cat track found. Not a big one, but I'm gonna train some pups.
As day 7 was winding down to an end, and no luck putting a cat in a tree, we headed for the trucks and started the 2.5-hour drive back to Jake's place. On the way back, we got a message from Jake's buddy that he had a cat track found in the same spot Austin got his cat. We made plans with Jake's buddy to meet up with him the following morning to see if we could get on this cat.
And let her go.
Right there, you can see the dogs. See them?
Yeah.
Did you jump? But yeah, you can see the dogs right there.
They're hammering.
Heading up.
That's awesome.
Can we get to like this chance of blowing them out?
Walking from here.
At least, yeah.
Here we go. Oh, she's steep.
It's steep.
Jesus Christ. Way up there. That's cool.
Come here. Come on, here. That was a big fucking paw.
That's what I do. You should get behind you. Right here, slipping through there.
Good for the shot.
Look at stick.
I've got a good lane here too if you want to lean on my back.
Here we go.
Congratulations.
Yeah, that thing is quiet.
on, boys. Good dog. Good dog. Get a hold.
Hell yeah.
Fuck yeah.
That's a good sound.
Oh yeah, it's a good pound. Smells good.
Dang, look at those paws.
Come on, lady, come here. Good dog. Good boy. Good girl.
Man.
Hey, quick out.
Congrats, man.
Buddy, good work.
Didn't take the village.
You've got a fight.
Hey, quick now. Quick. Sit off.
Yeah, look at that. Good kitty.
Oh, I got a big
That's fucking nice. Good shot. That's what I like to see.
Oh, no.
Banged out a few sideways. Go.
That'd be a cool ball with the mouth open.
Johnny. That's about 10,000 right there. That's a good volleyball partner.
Congrats on the 100th cat, too, man.
Hey.
100.
You're going to be jumping 7 Indian tonight, man. That's it.
Hole in it.
Tell you what, that 60 clear, put the hole in.
Oh, you're good, you're good.
This was the smaller trap?
No, I don't think so.
I think you got the big one.
I don't think you're going to find a bigger one there. If there is, got more than a prestige.
My first day. One more round? Yeah. You ready?
I'm not going to get down there. You guys just send me.
I need help from up.
Alright. Come here, buddy.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, he's
I see them fall around the rock tree. I'm like, jeez. Well, I didn't want to get too high. You said we didn't have a shooter and some bitch come at me. I was fixing it was going to catch us. I was going to ride him down the hill. How's the walk, John? You heard that?
I have no training.
I had the walk.
Good job, John. Yes.
That's bigger fellas. They don't look like the guys. Yeah. You look like a little rabbit up there.
He's on top of the snow.
Who?
Trav.
John, congratulations. That's fucking awesome. Oh, yeah, you got a little frostbite ears?
I think just old and big head makes his ears look little. They might be froze a little. He's got a huge fucking head on him.
No, he's from that.
Old cat.
She left the fucking stone doing that. Look at this fucking thing. Sure is big. That's cool, man. Yeah, thanks for letting me. Look at her walk. There's no way she's
Ready to pull his foot ahead?
No, I'm standing on this fucking. Oh my god.
How high are you coming up with it, Dick?
I'm going to the top of the ground. Fuck
You're
that.
in pounds there, buddy.
I got her. We got the ground?
Yeah. I'm leaning on the box. Push it that way a little bit. There you go. I mean, you're not off the ground with the tail. That's right.
We're bending the fuck out of the room. It says 144.
That's not right. It might be.
What are we making? Making mountain lion burger.
Pretty good. The cheese was a good move.
Cheddar cheese, mountain lion burger.
Those airplane aren't too far off. Great, man.
Then we're done.
Yeah.